Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Charge WH-1000XM4 and the Sony Headphones Connect app. First, plug the USB-C cable and charge until the red LED turns off. This ensures firmware updates later. Next, slide and hold the power switch for 2 seconds. Blue LED blinking means it's discoverable. Once done, open the app to allow permissions. This is how you control noise-canceling modes and firmware installs. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is enabled so pairing can begin immediately. Now pair and personalize. In Bluetooth settings, tap WH-1000XM4 to pair. You may need to confirm a pairing request. Once connected, test audio by playing a familiar track. Adjust volume and ensure left/right balance sounds correct. Then, launch the app to set adaptive sound control so the headphones change modes based on activity. This saves battery while optimizing clarity. Also configure touch controls for play/pause and noise-canceling shortcuts, so your interactions feel natural. Finish by confirming firmware and settings. Open the app and update firmware when battery is above 50%. That resolves many bugs. Do a sound check across calls and media and confirm multipoint or DC settings if used. If you encounter issues, like dropouts or no audio, reset by holding power and NC/ambient buttons together for about 7 seconds, then pair again. If pairing still fails, clear the phone's Bluetooth device list and retry from the start. This usually fixes stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.